$22 million in 3 hours! Can you believe it?
Meme coins are a category of cryptocurrency that derive their name and value from internet memes or trends. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, meme coins are often created as jokes or fun experiments to engage internet communities. Popular examples include Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and most recently, Chill Guy Coin, each tied to specific internet memes or cultural phenomena. These coins usually experience volatility, often seeing huge price swings due to hype and trends. While some meme coins have managed to carve out their place in digital culture, their primary value proposition is entertainment rather than technological advancements or real-world use cases. Meme coins operate on blockchain technology, similar to other cryptocurrencies. These coins are traded on decentralized exchanges. For instance, while Ethereum powers decentralized applications, meme coins like Dogecoin primarily function as fun tokens or tools for online tipping. Many meme coins have very high supplies or unlimited issuance, which can make them inflationary. For example, Shiba Inu has a total supply of 1 quadrillion tokens. This abundance contributes to their volatility, as supply increases without a corresponding increase in demand or utility. Their prices are largely driven by community sentiment and trends rather than any underlying technological advantage. The volatility of meme coins is one of their most defining features. Their prices can surge dramatically in short periods, which is uncommon compared to other investments such as stocks or bonds. Conversely, when the hype fades, their value can plummet just as quickly. Dogecoin, for example, saw huge spikes in value when Elon Musk tweeted about it, but these gains were often followed by rapid declines. Due to their speculative nature, meme coins are often seen as high-risk assets. However, this volatility also attracts traders looking for short-term profits, as the potential for massive returns exists, albeit with the understanding that the risk of loss is equally substantial. Investing in meme coins can be appealing due to the potential for high returns, especially when they rapidly gain popularity, as seen with the Just a Chill Guy meme coin, which saw its market cap soar to $500 million shortly after launch, attracting attention from crypto traders. For instance, one trader turned $1,000 into over $1 million in less than a week. However, despite its initial success, the artist behind the Chill Guy meme, Philip Banks, publicly disapproved of its use in the crypto space, which caused the market cap to drop sharply from $500 million to $220 million in just 2 hours, though it has since rebounded. This illustrates the volatility and social media influence on meme coins, which, despite offering the chance for profits, often lack intrinsic value and can experience significant price fluctuations due to external factors like celebrity endorsements. Given their speculative nature, meme coins are not suitable for all investors, especially those with low risk tolerance. Investors should conduct thorough research, understand the risks, and only invest what they can afford to lose, as these assets are prone to volatility and significant losses. Meme coins are a fun and speculative category of cryptocurrency that offer the potential for short-term gains but come with a high level of risk. While they can be profitable in certain circumstances, the volatility and lack of intrinsic value make them unsuitable for long-term investment strategies. Investors should approach meme coins with caution and a solid understanding of the risks involved.